Hi everyone, with the introduction of a new gimbal mode on the Pocket 3, it's much easier to get product shots using the Pocket 3, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly. So we're going to learn the gimbal mode to use and the focus mode that we need. So let's get straight to business. So the gimbal mode that you want to use is called the inverted FPV mode, and this is available as a new gimbal mode in the May 2024 firmware, so make sure that your Pocket 3 is up to date. Now this should be available by swiping down to get the setting and then click the little icon on the bottom right and then swipe to the left. So the gimbal mode that we want is the very last one on the right. Press this and we should now be in the FPV inverted gimbal mode. So this mode keeps the Pocket 3 locked in the direction where the screen is facing, so we simply can just point to the objects and products that we just want to shoot, just very much like using a mobile phone. So just simply point and shoot, and I find it's very intuitive and great for vlogging. For example, if you want to show something like what you're eating, for example. And now let's talk about the focus mode. So we have a couple of choices here. Now if we swipe to the right, we can then access these. So first of all we have the single focus, then the continuous mode and the product showcase modes. So let's just simply ignore the continuous focus mode, as that is more suitable for moving objects. Now I recommend for shooting products to use the product showcase mode, as it's perfect and ideal for this particular situation. So this will automatically focus on the dominant object that's in the center of the frame, which is exactly what we want for product shots. So choose this focus mode and then just simply point at the object and all the products and make sure it's large enough to actually fill the frame, and the Pocket 3 should take care of the focusing for you. Alright, I'm just going to have a very quick break to say welcome if you've discovered my little channel for the very first time. My name is Tim from 40 Tech, and in my channel I'm talking all about various technology, including microphones, gimbals, cameras and various video related devices. Now the other focus mode that we could use is the single focus mode. So in this mode we simply just tap on the Pocket 3 screen where we want the camera to focus. So this can be simply just tap on the product or the object. Now this can be useful if perhaps the object is a little bit off center or the product showcase mode is just not working for you. Okay guys, well that's a very quick video, and that's the two things I suggest you change if you want to get product shots using the Osmo Pocket 3. First of all, for the gimbal mode, use the FPV inverted mode, because you're going to find that's very intuitive to use, simply just point and shoot. And secondly, for the actual focus mode, then I suggest either using the product showcase mode, because it's very easy to use, or if that doesn't work for you, then perhaps try using the single focus mode, where you just simply tap on the object and the Pocket 3 should just focus for you. Okay guys, well I hope you find these videos useful. If you do, of course, I appreciate if you could support the channel by just hitting that little subscribe button. It really does help the channel grow. And other than that, I shall see you soon on another video. Take care.